We're here in Leicestershire at the headquarters of the EDM specialists Eurospark. We're going to find out a little bit more about the company, how 2020 was for them, and also what their customers have to say. Ryan, tell me a little bit more about Eurospark and a brief history of the company.
We've been going since the early 90s and we sort of specialise in everything EDM. We offer quality machines, reliable machines, and I think sort of one-to-one personal service with our customers. We've been selling the Jomars brand for a long time now, and they've been in the country for over 30 years, and they sell a quality product, a reliable product, and they help us to deliver what we say to our customers.
Right, let's talk about the machines now. What is it exactly that you're selling?
So we sell everything EDM. That covers a whole range of sort of standard manual die sync EDM machines, CNC standard sync machines. We sell wire cut EDM and EDM hole drills, and also our sort of probably favourite little product, the TR100, a little broken tap remover that if you break a tap, it will solve that problem quite easily.
So how's 2020 been for you then?
It's not been that bad. I think most people could probably say it could have been better, but I don't think it's been that bad for us. I think last time you came, there was a load of machines lined up and they've all sort of now been replaced. The machine behind me has been sold and replaced with another one. The one next to that, we sold that, and that one's a pre-owned machine that's sort of been through the works and is ready to go out now. We've got another container arriving in the next month or so. Our favourite little machine, the TR100, seems to sell faster than we can get them over here. So all in all, we're in a pretty positive place.
So we've heard from what Ryan has to say about the company, but let's hear from those customers.
We have two of the smaller machines, which are the JM32Zs. We initially bought one of the smaller ones and the 50Z. We liked them that much that we bought a further 32Z, and then after that, we decided to buy the Jomars wire machine as well. These machines have more than paid for themselves.
It's been fantastic. It's actually slightly quicker than the one we had before, so, you know.
So even better?
Yeah.
So why are you confident then with purchasing from Eurospark?
It was basically service. You know, the service was brilliant. Can't ask for more than that. It does exactly what it says on the tin.